Good morning, you degenerates. What's going on, guys? Well, it looks like there's a sea of red out there. It's a little dramatic, but a little bit of a correction from yesterday's pump. We got a red weekend so far. Not too bad, though, guys. Not too bad. I know what I'm doing today, guys. I am definitely going shopping. I'm going to pick up a few more things. I'll put my buy alerts over on the Patreon so you guys know what it is that I'm picking up and what I'm doing. So yeah, let's move into some of these bubbles here. Let's move into the charts. Let's look at Jasmy. Let's look at Swift. What is going on, guys? Swift and Visa. Is that what's going on? We're going to have a look at it, guys. Justin Sun promoting XCN. Finally, let's see. All right, Jasmy down 0.4% on the day, up 15.7% on the week, down 9.4% on the month, and up 514% on the year. Rank 72, $1.53 billion market cap. Volume's up a bit, 235.82 milli. Not too bad, guys. Not too bad. Going over to XCN, looking green on the morning so far. We're up 7.9% on the day, 25.6% on the week, 1,328 on the month, and 2,537 on the year. We're up 14 spots and ranked to 83, $1.10 billion market cap. Volume, again, looking nice, 369.67. Not too bad. Swift Coin, a little bit of a correction, 2.2% down, 168% up on the week, 422% up on the month, and 2,073% up on the year. We're up 5 spots in rank to 184, $362.96 million market cap, and the volume is looking pretty good on this too, 316.25 million. All right, let's look at some charts. What do we have going on? All right, so Jasmy. We're holding above the 30-day SMA very nicely so far. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't do any kind of aggressive move to the downside. Maybe we can continue to hold above the 30-day SMA until we break above this point. You guys know we got to close a full body candle over this level here at 3 cents 590. Okay, because anything below that, all we're doing is we're putting in a lower high. That's it, right? That's all we're doing, which is not good. So we got to break the trend. We got to close higher than this. We can put in a higher high to start a new trend to the upside. RSI sitting at 53.29. So nice in the neutral zone there, looking good, looking healthy. Over to XCN's chart. What do we got? Okay, XCN still ping-ponging inside of here, guys, which is a good thing. Like I said, I wanted to see this. I was saying 2 weeks ago, I want to see ping-ponging inside of this area. We are. So we just have to wait. Further continuation to the upside will eventually come after a nice stretch of consolidation. Maybe next week. Maybe we consolidate over the weekend. Maybe next week we break to the upside. We could see a little more downside and still be bullish. So keep that in mind, guys. Nothing to freak out about. Swift Coin. So Swift Coin was acting a little weird. It pumped all the way up here last night to 4 cents 695, and then wicked all the way back down to 3 cents. 3 cents 328. Right? We're sitting right now at 3 cents 677. I'd like to see this candle close green, if I'm being honest with you. I don't want to see a red daily candle close, but we'll see what happens, because that's a pretty harsh rejection if we do. But I'm looking forward to further continuation to the upside. We may have to consolidate here just like we did here, though, right? And here, we may have to put in another higher low before continuing up. We'll see what happens. Going over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues to just ping pong inside of this little setup here, right? We were setting higher lows, and then we fell below. We wicked all the way down here to about $97,000. That was crazy. We're back up. We continue to reject off the $106,200 level. Big sell wall there, guys. So we'll see what happens. If we go over to the liquidation levels, let's see what's happening over there right now. What's the leverage people saying? You can always use this as an indicator too, right? So longs, we have about 418 million in longs that could get liquidated at 99,600, and we got about 529 million shorts that will get liquidated at, if we go up to 105,100. So not too bad. It's not too bad. A lot of positions, but no real high leverage, right? So yeah, so we'll see what happens there. But Bitcoin's probably going to continue to ping pong inside of here, probably till next week, till we get a decision next week. We'll see what happens, right? Maybe we have a green start to the week on Monday. We got the Monday will be the first weekday of February, right? So we'll see what happens as the markets open up. All right. So what do we have going on here, guys? Couple of things, right? Couple of things. So first we have Crypto Market Control says breaking Onyx DAO and HTX Global, backed by Justin Sun, announced strategic partnership to boost XCN's market presence. This could redefine decentralized governance and trading, heralding a new era on Onyx Coin in the crypto space. As you can see, Justin Sun tweeted out last night, looking forward to working with XCN because the OIP 52 had passed over on the protocol. Very nice to see. Very nice to see that he's getting on board and promoting. All right, so courtesy of Jetpack, guys, what do we have here? Check it out, Swift and Visa. People like to deny things, right? But here we go.
Today, you have 89% of transactions that arrive at the final beneficiary banks within 1 hour, and half of those within 5 minutes. Now, as Chris said, the bar is raising. I mean, we need to be able to really, if you look at what the G20 is doing behind our goal, improve speed, cost, access, transparency, that's what motivates us. So how do we use this network of banks that have invested a lot in really structured data? So in the past 5 years, what we think we bring to this collaboration is these new capabilities that we've developed together with the banks, such as being able to track a payment end-to-end, bringing cloud technologies on it, pre-validating a payment before it's even sent. And these are all agnostic of where the money is going to end up. And when you look at the two institutions, the overlap that we have into our members' ecosystem, I mean, this is what makes it even more, it's natural to understand that it's going to be an inclusive world tomorrow. So that's what we bring, and we're welcoming Visa reusing the same capability, reusing the same standards of data that allow us to have full transparency on the payments end-to-end. We think that there's combining the reuse and the new innovation is the way to go. So we really welcome that in an inclusive manner in the ecosystem.
What is this?
And that just to complement Johnny, that in essence for the member banks is providing payments optionality.
What does this collaboration mean to Visa clients, Chris?
At the end of the day, it's about, I mean, I love the optionality framing. At the end of the day, we want to deliver the ability for our clients to deliver great experiences to their end clients. And this collaboration, I think, will make that so much easier for our clients. So for instance, as I say, we're pursuing a network of network strategy. With B2B Connect, today, we do deliver near real time with transparency about the payment status, rich data, cost certainty, et cetera, about the funds to be delivered. What this partnership will allow us to do is to, in the instances where we're originating a payment on B2B Connect, but terminating and using the SWIFT network to deliver to the beneficiary bank, building on the capabilities that Terry mentioned, pre-validation, data, consistency, et cetera, to deliver very similar, excellent experience on data, transparency, status of the payment on those payments that originate on B2B Connect and terminate through the SWIFT network.
Doesn't stop there, though, guys. SWIFT and Visa. What else do we have? There we go here. Just a little follow-up. Visa and SWIFT team up. Global B2B money, cross-border payments, financial ecosystem connect in a set foundation to enable fast, frictionless movement of funds. But we've been there. Onyx Coin, XCN, and Visa.
Trying to figure out what are the problems that the financial industry uniquely needs to solve right now. We've been prototyping different blockchain architectures and features to map against those problems, launching lots and lots of tests with partners, and then taking that learning and funneling it back into the next set of tests. And that 2-year process has been a really great learning experience. It's been driven by Visa and several other of our partners. And our goal collectively, to be super clear, is not to introduce a new cryptocurrency, but rather to apply these principles to the financial infrastructure that we rely on today to make existing currencies and securities and loyalty points and other financial instruments move much more efficiently between people, businesses, and institutions. And it's culminated in the chain protocol, which is a blockchain architecture that is specifically for issuing and transferring financial assets on permissioned blockchain networks in a way that has a scalable data model as well as consensus model, and ensures the privacy of data and the security of both the assets and the participants on the network. And this is a lot more than just a concept. This is a lot more than just a proposal. This is a lot more than just a white paper. The chain protocol is implemented today in a piece of flagship software, which is called Chain Core. And it is Chain Core which organizations run to either launch a new network or connect to an existing one. So both Visa and the participating institutions will run this software. And here's a preview of just the interface up on the screen behind me. So if you're interested in learning more about Visa B2B Connect, and I hope many of you are, we have something special to share with you, which is that at the Chain booth for the rest of the week, Visa and Chain have assembled a demonstration of this service. You can come by the Chain booth, and folks from Chain and Visa will be there to walk you through how it works and show you what it's all about. You're also welcome to reach out.
So Visa's B2B Connect, working with not only XCN Chain Onyx Coin, but also with Swift. Yes, it just keeps coming with the research from Jet, guys. You got to thank Jet. Jasmy retest falling wedge breakout is an upside move on the horizon. The cryptocurrency market is seeing a pullback today with major altcoins trading in red as Ethereum retesting its breakout level around $3,250. Amid this, Jasmy is also experiencing a 5% decline, currently trading at 3 cents too. However, the key technical setup suggests that the potential rally could be on the horizon. Jasmy's recently broken out of a falling wedge pattern. The breakout occurred on January 30th, day before yesterday, when the price surged above the descending resistance, trading at 3 cents even. Leading to a short-term rally to 3 cents 463. However, today's price drop led to a retest of the breakout at 3 cents. But with support from the 25-day SMA, the price is now recovered to 3 cents too. If Jasmy successfully holds the level and bounces, it could target the next resistance zone at 3 cents 6 and 4 cents 1, representing a 30% potential upside from the current price. Jasmy's next move largely depends on Ethereum's performance. Since ETH is also retesting its breakout, a successful bounce from 3,250 could trigger a broader altcoin rally benefiting Jasmy as well. So there you go. That's what you look for, guys. Depending on what Ethereum does, Jasmy and most of the alts will follow suit. If Ethereum can successfully retest its breakout of its resistance, flip it into support, we could see an altcoin rally here. So I'm going to take advantage. I'm going to dollar cost average because as early as tonight, we could be back in the green, right? So, but let me know what you guys think. And as always, guys, listen, one of the gems that we are scooping up over on the Patreon, guys, we are so freaking excited about this coin, man. I think it's going to move like XCN. It's going to move like Swift's been doing. It's going to have a big pop here soon, in my opinion. We've got everyone excited about it. Everyone's buzzed about it. Everyone's scooping it up. Guys, that's what we do. We find gems that no one is talking about right now. And then we wait a few weeks, a few months. We wait for it to pump. We get 2,000-3,000% returns. That's what we did with Onyx Coin, XCN. That's what we did with Swift. That's what we did with Jasmy. That's what we do. We get in when no one's talking about it. That's when you want to be getting it, guys. A lot of people are making the mistake of asking, like I get a lot of people in the live streams and they ask me, hey man, what do you know about this project or this one, when it's pumping 200-300% in a day, right? No, guys. You need to buy it before it pumps that much, not looking into it when it's mainstream, when all the bigger content creators are talking about it because it's been pumping. That means your exit liquidity at that point. You start buying, right? You don't buy green candles, you buy red ones, right? So get over there, guys. Check out these gems that we're looking at. We're looking at 3 right now, really, that are going to pop off. I have another one I'm looking at that I'll be bringing to the Patreon soon. So get in early on these projects, guys. You don't want to miss out. We're also live over there every single evening So join our lives over on the Patreon. A lot of very, very informative, guys. A lot of people get to ask a lot of questions to me personally. It's a live group video call. So basically it's just like rapid fire, right? I'm like, answer question. Everyone's asking questions. All your questions end up getting answered. And if they don't, then you can ask your question. We also have a bunch of active group chats over there as well. They're always buzzing. We've exploded over there to over 1,400 people now, guys, right? So we have a massive community of leaders that are there to help you. If you're newer, you get help operating things like Coinbase Wallet. How do you find these projects that we're looking at? All this stuff. How do you operate? How do you deal with Ethereum fees? All this kind of stuff, guys, right? You get the help that you need over there. And on top of all of that, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So check it out, guys. The link is down below. Get in on these gems before they pump to 3,000%. Join our live calls every single evening and schedule your one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.